Management is often seen as a modern concept. However, the practice of organizing and coordinating people to achieve common goals dates back thousands of years. From the moment humans began forming communities and undertaking complex tasks, the need for effective management arose. Ancient civilizations, despite lacking the terminology we use today, developed sophisticated systems to manage large-scale projects, often with remarkable success. By examining these early approaches to management, we gain valuable insights into the enduring principles that underpin effective organizations. The construction of monumental structures like the pyramids of Egypt and the Great Wall of China stands as a testament to the managerial prowess of our ancestors. These feats of engineering required meticulous planning, resource allocation, and coordination of vast workforces. Similarly, the complex irrigation systems developed in Mesopotamia and the efficient governance of the Roman Empire highlight the critical role of management in the flourishing of these societies. While the tools and techniques may have evolved over the centuries, the fundamental principles of management, such as planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, have remained remarkably consistent. By understanding the historical context of management, we can better appreciate the contributions of later thinkers and practitioners who formalized and refined these concepts into the management theories we use today. The study of management history is not merely an academic exercise. It provides valuable lessons for modern managers seeking to navigate the complexities of today's organizations. The ancient civilizations of Mesopotamia and Egypt, often referred to as the cradles of civilization, offer fascinating examples of early management practices. In Mesopotamia, the development of agriculture and the rise of city-states necessitated sophisticated systems of administration. The Sumerians, known for their innovations in writing and mathematics, developed record-keeping systems to manage trade, track resources, and administer complex irrigation projects. These early forms of record-keeping represent the beginnings of managerial accounting and control systems. Egyptian civilization, renowned for its monumental architecture and centralized governance, also exhibited advanced management practices. The construction of the pyramids required meticulous planning, organization, and control of labor and resources on an unprecedented scale. Egyptian officials acting as managers oversaw different aspects of the construction process, from quarrying and transporting stone to directing teams of workers. The success of these massive projects highlights the Egyptians' understanding of project management, logistics, and the importance of a clear hierarchical structure. These ancient civilizations demonstrate that management, in its essence, is not a modern invention, but rather a fundamental human activity that has evolved alongside civilization itself. The Roman Empire, known for its vast reach and enduring legacy, provides perhaps one of the most striking examples of effective management in the ancient world. The Romans excelled in administration and organization, developing sophisticated systems to manage their sprawling empire. Central to their success was a highly centralized and hierarchical structure that enabled efficient communication and control across vast distances. The Roman military, renowned for its discipline and effectiveness, played a pivotal role in both conquest and administration. Military principles of chain of command, standardized procedures, and clear lines of authority were adapted to civilian administration, forming the bedrock of Roman governance. This emphasis on structure and standardization enabled the Romans to effectively govern diverse populations, collect taxes, build infrastructure, and maintain order across their vast territories. The Roman legal system, with its emphasis on codified laws and standardized procedures, further contributed to their managerial effectiveness. By establishing clear rules and regulations, the Romans created a framework for consistent decision-making and reduced ambiguity in their administrative practices. Section 4. The dawn of modern management classical theories. The Industrial Revolution marked a turning point in the history of management. With the rise of factories and mass production, traditional approaches to work organization proved inadequate for the complexities of this new era. This period gave rise to classical management theory, which sought to apply scientific principles to the management of organizations. Frederick Winslow Taylor, often hailed as the father of scientific management, advocated for a systematic approach to improve efficiency. Taylor's principles emphasized task specialization, standardized work methods, and careful selection and training of workers. His ideas, while effective in increasing productivity, also faced criticism for their mechanistic view of workers and their neglect of human motivation. Another prominent figure in the classical management movement was Henri Fayol, a French mining engineer. Fayol developed 14 principles of management, including unity of command, division of work, and esprit de corps, which he believed to be essential for effective organizational management. Unlike Taylor, who focused on the shop floor level, Fayol took a broader perspective, emphasizing the importance of managerial functions such as planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and controlling. The classical management theories of Taylor and Fayol provided a foundation for the development of management as a formal discipline. Section 5. The human element, stepping beyond the machine. While classical management theories emphasized efficiency and productivity, they often overlooked the human element in the workplace. The Hawthorne studies, conducted at the Western Electric Company in the 1920s and 30s, challenged the prevailing view of workers as mere cogs in a machine. These studies found that social and psychological factors, such as group norms, recognition, and a sense of belonging, played a significant role in worker motivation and productivity. This groundbreaking research marked the beginning of the human relations movement, which shifted the focus from task efficiency to employee satisfaction and morale. Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs further emphasized the importance of fulfilling human needs, such as belonging, esteem, and self-actualization in the workplace. Douglas McGregor's Theory X and Theory Y contrasted the traditional authoritarian management style, Theory X, with a more participative and empowering approach, Theory Y. The human relations movement brought about a paradigm shift in management, recognizing the importance of social dynamics, employee motivation, and the psychological contract between employer and employee.